Hi my dear children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. Today we learn about decimals. Meaning of decimals. We have already studied about fractions. Now let us look at some interesting fractions. Decimal fractions. Here 4 parts out of 10 are colored. That means the shaded part represents 4 tenths is written as 4 by 10. If 5 squares are shaded, it represents 5 tenths is written as 5 by 10. Here 15 part out of 100 is written as 15 by 100. 32 parts out of 1000 is written as 32 by thousands. The fractions 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 15 by 100 and 32 by 1000 have either 10, 100, 1000 as the denominators. Such fractions are called decimal fractions. Thus, a decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10, 100, 1000 or power of 10. These decimal fractions can be represented in another form. Here 4 by 10 is represented as 0.4. Similarly 5 by 10 is represented as 0.5. 15 by 100 is represented as 0.15. 32 by 1000 is represented as 0.032. These numbers 0.4, 0.5, 0.15, 0.032 are called decimal numbers. Place value system. Decimal numbers extend the place value system. Digit moves from left to right of the ones place. Look at this place value chart. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, decimal or point, tens, hundreds, thousands. That is 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by thousands. Here, the place value of the digit 1 as it moves right by 1 place from the ones place is 1 by 10 or 1 tenth. This is the tenths place. We always write 0.1 or 0.1. 0.1 is known as the decimal point. Here 1 by 100, 1 hundredth. This is the hundredths place. We write 1 hundredth. It write as 0.01. 0.01. Here 1 by thousands. This is the thousands place. We write 1 thousandths. It read as 0.001. Expansion of decimal numbers. We already know that we express the decimal number in the expanded form by writing the sum of the value of each digit in the given number. We consider the decimal number 4659.217. For example, okay, here 4659.217. 4 thousands, 6 hundreds, 5 tens, 9 ones. Then decimal or point. 2 tenths, 1 hundredths, 7 thousandths. That is 2 by 10. 1 by 100 and 7 by 1000, so on. Here 4659.217 can be written in the expanded form as 4000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 9 plus after decimal 2 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 7 by 1000 and so on. Let's see another example. 738.402 expanded form 700 plus 30 plus 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 2 by 1000. Here note that the hundreds place has 0. So 0 is not mentioned in the expanded form. Okay, hundreds place is not mentioned. Expanded form 700 plus 30 plus 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 2 by 1000. Converting fractional numbers into decimals. Decimal fractions with 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Step 1. Write the numerator. Then step 2. Count the number of zeros in the denominator. Step 3. Starting from the extreme right of the numerator, skip equal number of places to the left as the number of zeros and place the decimal point. If required, you can add zeros at the extreme left. That means when the denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 and so on, we put decimal point in the tens place, hundreds place and thousands place, so on. Okay. For example, 9 by 10. Here 10 is a denominator. First we write numerator, that is 9. 9 is a numerator. First we write 9. Then put decimal. Then left as the number of zeros, that is 0. So it is written as 0.9. 9 by 10 is equal to 0.9. Let's see another example. 4 by 100. Here 100 is a denominator. It is written as 0.04. 0.04. We put decimal point in the hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100. Decimal point in the hundreds place. Okay. Let's see another example. 8 by 1000. 0.008. 34 by 100. 0.34. 462 by 1000. 0.462. Mixed decimals. A mixed decimal contains a whole number or integral part and a decimal or decimal part. For example, 93.56. 93 integral part, all number. Then decimal point 56 decimal part. Okay. Decimal places. The places after the decimal point are called decimal places. The places after the decimal point are called decimal places. For example, 7.58. 7.58 has 2 decimal places. Next, 0.391. It has 3 decimal places. Converting decimals into fractions. to convert a decimal into a fraction. Step 1. Write the decimal as the numerator of the fraction without the decimal point. That means remove the decimal. Okay. Step 2. Count the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the given decimal. Then, for the denominator, write 1 followed by an equal number of zeros as the number of digits counted after the decimal point in step 2. At last, we get fractions. For example, to convert 0.21 into a fraction, remove the decimal and write it as 21. Then, write the denominator, which is 1 followed by 2 zeros, as there are 2 digits after the decimal point in 0.21. 0.21, ones, tens, 100. Decimal places 100. Okay. So, we get 21 by 100. Okay. Let's see another example. 7.31. 731 divided by 100. 0.004. 4 by 1000. 82.45. 8245 by 100. Like and unlike decimals. Like decimals. Like decimals are the decimals having the same number of decimal places. For example, 4.1, 45.9, 532.7. Next, unlike decimals. Unlike decimals are the decimals that do not have same number or different numbers of decimal places. For example, 4.2, 12.34, 6.345. These are unlike decimals. Comparing and ordering of decimals. Convert the unlike decimals to like decimals and then compare the integral and decimal parts of the decimal numbers to arrange in ascending and descending order. Question: 0.30, 0.39, 0.40, 0.039. Convert the unlike decimals into like decimals. Here, as the maximum number of decimal places in the given numbers is 3. We convert the other 2 into decimals with 3 decimal places. Answer: 0.300, 0.390, 0.400, 0.039. Next, arrange in the ascending and descending order. Question: 0.30, 0.39, 0.40, 0.039. Ascending order: 0.039, 0.30, 0.39, 0.40. Here 0.40 is greater than 0.39 is greater than 0.30, which is greater than 0.039. Okay. Next, descending order. Answer: 0.40, 0.39, 0.30, 0.039. Let's see another example. 0.6, 0.9, 0.10, 0.7, 0.35. how will convert into like decimals? How? First, as the maximum number of decimal places in the given numbers is 2, we convert the other 1 into decimals with 2 decimal places. Here 0.6. Okay, 0.60, 0.9, 0.90, 0.10, 0.70, 0.35. Okay, answer 0.60, 0.90, 0.10, 0.70, 0.35. Then next, arrange ascending order and descending order. Question 0.6, 0.9, 0.10, 0.7, 0.35. Answer ascending order 0.10, 0.35, 0.6, 0.7, 0.9. Then descending order. Answer 0.9, 0.7, 0.6, 0.35, 0.10. Okay.